shouldn't have eaten that extra large chimichanga. And I'm out of butt wipes at my house. I snuck over here to Bozo Turd's house. I'm gonna steal his butt wipes. But shh, they can't know I'm here. Oh, hi. Don't mind me. Go ahead and go to the living room and watch videos. It's okay. I was never here. I can't believe it. She fell for it. Oh, don't watch me. Just watch your videos. Okay. I can see the butt wipes are over there. I better check to see if they're not paying attention. Okay, it looks like they're watching Bozelberg Fun on YouTube. Hey, remember to like and subscribe. Back to the butt wipes. Okay. I got him, let's go.
Later that day.
Hey, I'm home.
Daddy,
Yeah.
this weird guy, walked into our house, and I think he stole our butt wipes.
What? Uh-huh. Ah, dang it. And I had way too many tacos today. I know I'm gonna need some butt wipes later. Grr.
See, I told you, Dad. This strange guy walked into our house and got our butt wipes.
Oh, man.
All right.
Well, guess we better make our own butt wipes. To make your own butt wipes at home, you need some paper towels. Buy some heavy-duty ones. We just used the Members Mark from Sam's Club. Not a paid promotion. They're really strong.
72, 73, 74.
And they have the smaller sheets, so it makes it a lot easier. Two cups of water. You're gonna need it boiling. I start it hot. I just run it out of the bathroom tap here. Little under 2. Alright. Alright. I'll take that water, stick it in the microwave, and put it in for 2.5 minutes. This paper towel rolls about 11 inches, 11 and 1/8 inch. So you just find the middle mark here, about right here, doink, and you just dot it. I just make 4 dots, doink, doink. Doink. Oh, that doink was broken. Then, use a non-serrated knife to cut it in half. Or, you could just karate chop it if you wanted to. Then, what you want to do, get your fingers in there. Take out the middle core. And then, you'll need a reusable container like this. We got this one from Walmart. It fits it in nicely, but you've got to take some of the outside of the roll off. What we do, take that much off, set it to the side for now. And you can use that to make napkins. Because of the specially sized sheets, it works perfect once it's cut in half. Just put those together, tear them. You have a stack of napkins. Now, it's small enough to cram inside of this.
Cram.
Wow.
Cram.
Like
Cram,
magic, it
cram.
goes into a square shape.
Cram.
I always pull the inside out because it's kind of always stuck together to get it ready. Boom. It comes out like that. You take it out of the middle. Whoop. We'll set this to the side. Get it out of the microwave. Start with 3 tablespoons of the witch hazel.
Now we're gonna add 2 tablespoons of baby oil.
2 tablespoons of some kind of baby soap. Mix it all together. Pour it in. There you have it. Let it sit, let it all soak up, and you've got yourself some DIY baby wipes.
My precious. You don't take it from us.
Remember to hit the like button and subscribe. And then hit the bell notification button so you get notified whenever we post a new video. Bye bye!